Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Don't forget, I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share because sharing is caring. All right, so today, my portfolio, part of it is down 50%. Crypto is down at least 50% or more. So I'm going to talk to you all today about what do you do next? Crypto is down 50%. What do you do next? For starters, I'm going to tell you, you're going to need two things if you're going to be a successful investor in crypto. Number one, you've got to have patience. It took me about 9 months before I made my first $100,000. It took 9 months. Could have taken, sometimes yours may take 12, may take 24. It's not financial advice. However, I was patient, right? And I was just an investor. So, number one, you need to be patient. Number two, the big trick is buy low and sell high. A mistake that a lot of investors make, they buy high because they buy on emotion. If you're going to be a successful investor, you cannot let your emotions make you sell your investment. And that goes for anything. You would not buy a house for $100,000 and sell it for $50,000. You wouldn't buy a stock for $300 and sell it for $100, or at least you should not. Okay, so same thing with crypto. This is the people who are in crypto right now. If you are accumulating crypto, you are positioning yourself to be extremely successful. I just believe that in my heart. I've already seen a huge amount of success with my crypto and digital assets investments, and I know that they will continue on. But guys, it's a cycle. It is a cycle and it just takes time. If you don't have patience, you've got to grow some. Do not buy high and sell low. Here's what's going to happen. A lot of people are, when the market takes off, because human nature is to, when things seems like they're exploding, they're taking off, people think they're going to go up forever, but they're not. So if you have positioned yourself correctly when the market does take off, and it will, you're going to start selling and locking in your profits when all of these new people are getting in, okay? That's what you're going to do. And then you'll wait for a pullback, and then you can buy in at a lower price. So today, there's a lot of things that's going on. Russia has invaded Ukraine. There's a war going on. We have inflation going on. And guys, this is nothing new about life. Whether you invest or not, the market is going to continue to do what it's going to do. So you're going to either be part of the success and have the gains and increase your wealth, or you're not. I have no doubt we're going to wake up in a year or 2 years, and all of the projects that I know that I'm invested in, I know that they're going to be much higher. And I'll be glad that I bought mine for 4 cents, 5 cents, 18 cents, $2, or whatever the price that I purchased. But guess what? You've got to have patience. Get yourself a plan. If you don't buy any right now, you're just going to miss out. The other thing that's good about now, it's good that you have time to familiarize yourself and educate yourself about the crypto market. This is a good time for you to educate yourself. What is blockchain? What do these different chains do? Why are they even valuable? What is the metaverse? What are NFTs? How will NFTs change our life? What are some potential use cases for NFTs? How can different blockchains allow us to do things more efficiently, more cheaply, more securely? Those are all great questions, okay? What is decentralization? And why is that even important to what we do? How will that level the playing field for all of us? So all these things are things that you probably want to learn about while the market is stagnant. Here's what you don't want to do. You don't want to wait until the market starts running because you don't know where the top is. I don't try to pick the top or the bottom. I do not. I buy dollar cost average. That means I buy maybe, it depends. It depends on what my budget is. It depends on how much money I have allocated. I may buy a couple $100 of crypto in a week. I may buy $300 or $400. It just depends, okay? It just depends. So I just average into the projects that I like. So let's get started. So My crypto is down 50%, actually more. Remember the video that I did on, and I used Seller Network as my example? And I said, Seller Network, I use this example, can make you a multimillionaire. So let me tell you the status of where it is. So I bought it for about 16,000 tokens for $1,029. And I bought that on January 10th, 2022. After about a week of owning that, it went up to 1,500. I did not sell it because I staked it. I staked it and I had it locked up, so I couldn't have sold it if I wanted to. But I wouldn't have sold it anyway because I'm not a trader. I'm an investor. So let's look at where it is today. Today, number one, on crypto.com, you can stake or lock up your tokens for a percentage, and you just earn free tokens every 7 days. And that's what I did with Seller Network. So I locked it up for 3 months. You can see now today, my $1,029 is now worth $543. But guess what? I've got a lot. I've earned a total of 81.55 free tokens. You all can see that 16,004, that's what's stake. I'm earning 3%. And the reason it's 16,004 is because I had earned a couple before I staked it. So I started out with 16,000, and then I earned a few, and then I staked that whole amount. And I told you I'm going to track it. There's no hiding it. Look under my crypto earned. You can see Monday, March 7, I earned 9.208. Monday, February 28th, 9.208. So every 7 days, like clockwork, I'm earning 9.208 free tokens. Guys, you can do the math yourself. If I continue to earn 9.208 free tokens every week, and I did that for a year, you all do the math. It's 52 weeks in a year. That's about 10 free tokens per week. I would earn about 520 free tokens. Now, when Seller Network increases in price, I still own my original 16,000 plus all of the free tokens that I've earned through the crypto earn, the staking, okay? Which is powerful. This is how you become a crypto multimillionaire. Now, so I'm okay because I haven't lost a dime until I sell my Seller Network. So today, it's only worth $543. So it's like, oh my goodness, it's half. But guess what? I haven't lost anything because I still own 16,000 tokens. So when the price goes back up, the value of my Seller Network account goes back up, okay? Seller Network is a project. I did a video about it. To me, it's a phenomenal project. I sleep well at night. I am not bothered at all about this temporary dip. We've got the war going on. We've got inflation going on. You got geopolitical issues going on. There's a lot of things that impacts the market. To me, those are just distractions. And I am not going to be distracted by all of that other stuff, because at the end of the line, when I wake up in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years max, I'm going to have a lot of money. And that's just what it's all about for me. I don't know what it's about for you, but for me, it's about increasing my wealth, okay, and maximizing. So there you go. My portfolio is down just like everybody else's, but I am patient. And I buy low so I can sell high. And I bought a whole lot more Seller Network. I have a ton of it because I believe in it. So when the prices go down, I dollar cost average, I continue to purchase, especially when it gets cheap. I believe in the project. All right, so now let's take a look at some other projects. It's not just Seller Network. There are many other projects that are also down. Let's first start with the big one, which is Bitcoin. So remember I told you all about CoinGecko. If you haven't already, download the CoinGecko app. That will allow you to track all-time highs. You can look at charts. You can look at price action for any token you're interested in. Okay, look at Bitcoin. Today, Bitcoin is 38,000. The all-time high for Bitcoin was $69,044. Bitcoin is down about 44%. That's just one. Let's look at several. Let's look at Ethereum. So for Ethereum, The all-time high was $4,878. Today is $2,500. Ethereum is down 48%, okay? So it's down 48%. So when you look at different projects, and I'm just looking at some of the top projects, just to show you that it's not the smaller caps that are down. All of them are down. Let's look at Solana. Solana the all-time high was $259. Solana is down 69% from the all-time high. In my opinion, these are opportunities. Let's take a look at Cardano. Cardano is down 74%. The high for Cardano was $3.09. I bought Cardano, guys, at 5 cents. And that was about 18 months ago, maybe. So what I'm saying is, if you just buy good projects and just sit on them, just wait. Even at 79 cents, I'm still highly profitable with Cardano because I got it for a nickel. You don't want to chase prices and chase the crypto market when it takes off. You want to be positioned. So when it takes off, you're already in your positions, okay? So here, these all are just really good projects. You can see, let's take a look at a couple. Let's take a look at Seller Network. So to find Seller Network, I'm just going to pop it in this search menu. Seller Network. All-time high was 19 cents. It's down 82%. Okay, to me, it's an opportunity. It's an opportunity. Okay, so you can take a look. Let's look at Dogecoin. A lot of people like Dogecoin. I never bought Dogecoin, but a lot of people like it. Dogecoin is down 85%. It was the high of 73 cents. So there you go. So here's my point. Crypto may be way down. Don't worry about it. The whole idea to become successful in crypto is to buy low, sell high, and be patient. If you do that, I have no doubt that you will be extremely successful. One more, Polygon, because I love Polygon. $1.35 today. Polygon, all-time high, $2.92. It's down about 54%. So see, they're all down. They're all down. They're all down probably at least 50%. Some a little bit more, some a little bit less. But there you go. The whole idea is to be an investor, to be patient. Buy low, buy low, buy low. You just gotta take your emotions out of it, because it's going to go up, guys. Life events happen all the time. They happen, and they're gonna continue to happen all the time. We'll get sick. Our parents will get sick. Our friends will get sick. Some things happen in life. We quit a job. We get a new job. Life just keeps on going. Don't let any of those distractions get in the way of your investments. This is how you get wealthy. This is how you improve your financial situation. Buy low, sell high. My name is Ida. I'm your crypto teacher. I bring you videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share. Sharing is caring. I'm out.